Hi, you guys. All right, so we are on our way.
I'm excited!
We're not on our way. We're waiting. We're waiting.
I'm excited. For Dad.
And we're all excited.
I'm excited. Look at Deucey. Deucey's excited.
He's excited. The dog is excited too, but he's not coming. Hi, you guys. We are at the waiting spot for the bus.
Look at the kids in the back, y'all. Make sure y'all follow.
They're so
YouTube.
excited. Yeah, follow our YouTube. Make sure you guys are following. Even though we're supposed to say that at the end.
I lost my voice, but hey, y'all.
All right, you guys. We'll do more when we're on the bus. Guys, we just got on the bus. I'm so excited. We're going.
Dude, they got seatbelts now.
They got seatbelts now, y'all. Why the bus shrink? Here's Squirt, Noah, and then Jamari.
Guys, did the bus shrink or did we just get bigger?
Yeah, we did.
Look at my knees. Look at my knees. Guys, we're on the bridge. Y'all so close to me. We're on the bridge, y'all. We're about to go to Clementon, New Jersey, y'all. Let's get it. We're going across the bridge, y'all. We're going to Camden, baby. Look at that. Bye, Philly. We just got here. Check this out. Y'all want to see this ride over there? I won't be going on it because I don't do rides like that. Good luck there.
Oh, look, here's all this where we can sit and go and eat.
Dude, I need to eat a sandwich.
I don't need.
You want to sit down somewhere?
Yeah, I need to eat something right now. Guys, this is the little roller coaster that's here. Guys, we're at the wave pool thingy right now. Lauren wants to go in because she said there's going to be too many people and she needs to enjoy the waves, you guys. Check it out, dude. Check it out, the waves. The waves, dude.
Alright, you guys, so we are here. We're at the water side right
now. We're here at the Ferris wheel. Jamari's about to get on here. Look at him. There he goes, he's getting on the horsey. Jamari! Get on the horsey! There he goes, he's off. Him and his horse. Alright, let's see if we see him. Where's Jamari? Where's Jamari? There he goes on his horsey! There you go. Lauren, Squirt, and Noah are going on this one, so it's gonna look. Diablo, I don't know. Noah, good luck! Jamari, Squirt, babe! Babe! She don't hear nothing, Diablo. Noah, sit in there. Nice and tight. You suck. Hey, Squirtle, can you strap it in? Look, there's another seat for me. I'm nervous about this thing. I never like swings. About to get themselves up there. It's gonna fling them around in a circle and everything. Let's go find Noah. There he is right there, you guys. Noah, you gonna have fun? She's impatient. She wants it to start already. Look at her. Dude, they're starting, you guys. Noah! Hello! Hold on tight. Dude, this is crazy. Lauren, look at Lauren. And Noah over there. And Squirtle. Dude. Lauren up there. She's just screaming at the top of her lungs. How was it, Noah?
Amazing.
How'd you like it?
100 out of 100.
Do it again.
You gonna do it again?
I want to go on the wall.
We want to go on that right now.
How about you, Squirt? How was it?
That was good. That was real good. I love it. I love it.
We got our kids on the Ferris wheel.
No, you're on. Okay, you guys take that back.
Look, you guys, we're on the ride. He's just nervous. He looks nervous. Look at his face.
Just made a weird.
I'm not nervous. I'm excited. Here we go. Woo! Look at Angel holding on to dear life. Look, you can see the whole park. Yeah. We stopped in the Ferris wheel. Look at all the scenery, you guys. The whole park. The whole park, you guys. And look at this guy, scared.
All right, you guys. They're gonna be going on this little roller coaster right here. Lauren is ready for the roller coaster. Go in, guys.
4, 5, 6.
Bye, you guys. Oh, Lauren in the front. Look at her. More time. Say hi.
Here you guys, look, they're going up the steps. They're gonna go down this slide right here. Alright, you guys, they're about to come down.
Somebody shoot them wet. Oh, that's
Alright, you guys, we took a lunch break. Oh. It's hot. The boys are in the wave pool. Angel drinking, y'all. We can't take him nowhere.
What up? Don't mind me. I got this lady to make me a drink, and it was way too strong. And then I got trashed after one cup.
Now he's sober again.
No, I'm not sober. I'm still a little tipsy. But Lauren's over here. She's not feeling good, you guys. Check her out. Here she is, you guys. She has a headache because she went on that ride. Diablo, shut up. She went on that ride that did circles and swirlies, and now she's swirled up. Her brain is swirled up.
It really is. I don't feel good. I feel like I'm puke.
She about to puke, y'all. So anyway, make sure y'all check out our YouTube video. Check it out, dude. Make sure you follow homie. We're over here by the set over here. It's a roller coaster. They don't use it no more. And then this train behind us broke down, and they had to bring more propane or gas or whatever it runs on, because they got stuck there for like 10, 15 minutes already. So now they gotta drive. You know what I'm saying? Drive up. Dude, this sun is killer today, and it's only like 83 degrees. This sun feels like it's 100 degrees. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go see if I can get a funnel cake or something. I'll be right back. I'm leaving precious Lauren here for a couple minutes. Let's see. Let go. The boys just got back on this one over here. Look at Noah right there and Jamari right there in the middle. You'll see them. There they go. Squirt didn't be able to get on that one. Look at him right there. He wasn't able to get on, you guys. There they go. Jamari and Noah. Jamari and Noah's somewhere in there. They're in there. I think that's them right there. Alright, y'all, I got my number 16 for my funnel cake. I got my funnel cake. I'm ready to eat. My kids, look at my drink, you guys. My kids seen me and was like, I'm thirsty, and they drunk all my drink. Now it's almost empty. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Lauren ate the whole funnel cake. Yeah, look, too bad.
He's lying.
Nah, it was really good. Then I ran into my boys. Y'all know they drunk almost all my drink.
Seen you walk in, you one. Yo, you was walking with the funnel cake, holding your drink. I'm like, Diablo. And then I came running back here, so nobody knew I left the bag.
I seen you walking. When I was walking, I was like, where the hell is she going? But anyway, we'll check you out. We're going to go back on the bus in a minute. Deuces. Alright, y'all. So we're at the front gate. Little girl asked if we could call her mom because she don't know what her mom was. Her mom didn't pick up, so hopefully she finds her mom somewhere in there. But if she calls me back, I'll be like, hey, your daughters were in the front looking for you. But we called, her mom didn't pick up, so hopefully she finds her mommy. Deuces. Alright, y'all, we out here. We just chilling here waiting on the bus. We got here a lot earlier than the bus, but we chilling in the shade. We're chilling in the shades. We got our crew and asked them how their day was. Noah, how'd you like it? Clementon Park, how'd you like it? Good. Jamari, how'd you like Clementon Park, dude?
Amazing.
Squirtle, how'd you like it, Clementon Park? Yeah, I don't know, our kids are mad or something. Baby girl, how'd you like Clementon Park?
It was alright.
It was good?
Yeah.
Damn girl, Texas. Y'all, so we're about 20 minutes into sitting and waiting for this bus to come. Still waiting on this bus. Yeah, look, I'm ready to go home and go to sleep. I'm tired. Alright, y'all, we walking. The bus is here. We gotta look to see where we gotta go. No one knows where our bus is. Yeah, Lauren behind me, she's like, where the hell is this bus, dude?
My head is pounding.
She got a headache. I told her not to go on the spinny dragon. I told her the same thing. I'm like, Diablo, I'm gonna throw up on that spinny dragon. She went on it. I hear it's crazy and everything. Dude, we just got back on the bus. Lauren is not feeling well.
No, I'm not feeling good.
She is not feeling well, y'all. She should have never went on the swirly, you know? Alright, you guys, we are officially leaving Clementon Park and Splash World. Check it out, dude. Hey, we got it.
I did not see that.
Alright, y'all, we're heading back to Philly. We're heading back to Philly, you guys. Y'all can't hear us because this bus is loud in a mug. Philly is where we going. Beautiful. I just want you.